Hi guys, this is Harish Raju. Welcome to my channel. Today a job notification on SSC. So here they invited Constable Executive male and female in Delhi Police Examination 2020. Date for submission of online applications are 1st 8 2020 to 7 9 2020. Last date and time for receipt of online applications is 7 9 2020 at 11:30 p.m. Last date and time for making online fee payment is 9/9/2020 at 11:30 p.m. Last date time for generation of offline chalana is 11/9/2020 20:30, that is 11:30 p.m. Last date for payment through chalana during working hours of bank is 14/9/2020. The final date of computer based examination is 27th November 2020 to 14th December 2020. The examination will be advertised by SSC based on vacancies intimated by Delhi Police. Application will be accepted through online mode only. Computer based examination will be conducted by Commission in English and Hindi only. Physical endurance and measurement test will be scheduled and conducted by Delhi Police in Delhi. PE and MT in qualifying in nature. Correction of required eligibility certificate documents from candidate and the verification will be original certificate will be carried out at the time of PE and MT by Delhi Police. Final result will be declared by the Commission based on the performance of candidate in computer based examination today qualifying PE and MT and other conditions stipend in the notice of the examination. Court cases relating to notice of examination, conduct of computer based examination, shortlisting of candidates for appearing PE and MT, and preparation of final result of professionally selected students filled by the candidate at Delhi will be handled by the Delhi Police. The court cases of other regions on these matters will be handled by the SSC. Court cases, RTI, public grievances, representations relating to all other issues like scheme of examination, vacancies, conduct of physical endurance and measurement test, PE and MT, document verification and medical examination, etc. will be dealt with by Delhi Police. The pay will be pay level 3, that is 21,700 to 69,100. The details of vacancies are as follows: Constable, total 3,433. Constable male, ex-serviceman, including backlog SC 19 and ST 15. The total is 226. Constable male, ex-serviceman, commando, para, as per para 3-2, including backlog SC 34, ST 19. The total is 243. Constable ex-serviceman female 1944. So the total vacancies is 5,846. So there is a 10% reservation for ex-serviceman in each category of constable, that is ex-male. Out of the 10% quota mean for ex-serviceman, half, that is 50% of such quota have been reserved for the following categories of ex-man serviceman. So please go through the notification which is mentioned in description. Moving to age eligibility, SC ST maximum age relaxation period beyond the upper age limit is 5 years. OBC 3 years. Sports person of distinction who have represented state level or country at an international level in sports during proceeding 3 years from the closing date of receipt of online applications, 5 years. Sports person of distinction who have represented state and national level or the country at international level in sports during proceeding 3 years from the closing date of receipt online application is 10 years. Department candidate of Delhi Police is 40 years, up to 40 years. Departmental candidate of Delhi Police up to 43 years. Department candidate of Delhi Police up to 45 years. Son and daughters of serving retired or decreased Delhi Police personnel multitasking staff of Delhi Police is 29 years. Ex-servicemen for EWS and general category is 3 years after the direction of the military service redundant from actual age on date of ex-serviceman. OBC 6 years, that is 3 years plus 3 years after direction of military service then from the actual age as on the date of reckoning. Ex-serviceman ST by ST 8 years, that is 3 years plus 5 years after direction of military service The attendance from the actual age as on the date of reopening. Windows divorced and judicially separated women who have not remarried. The crucial date for such crime will be closing date for restriction of online application is 5 years. So the below mentioned details are seen in description. The fees for male candidates for OC and BC is 100. The fees for female candidates and SC, ST is free of cost. The center of examination is given in this PDF, which will be in description. The scheme of examination is a computer-based examination, which is 100 questions carrying 100 marks, that is each carry 1 mark. The subject part A, general knowledge, current affairs. Number of questions is given 50, maximum of 50. Reasoning 25, maximum of 25. Numerical ability, number of questions 15, maximum of 15. Computer fundamental, MS Excel, MS Word, communication, internet, www and web browser, etc. 10, maximum of 10. Duration time allowed 19 minutes. There is a physical endurance test for male candidates. Race, long jump and high jump. Up to the age 30 years, they have to run 6 minutes. Long jump 14 feet, high jump 3.9 feet. For above 30 to 40 years, they have to run 1600 meters for 7 minutes. Long jump 13 feet, high jump 3.6. For above 40 years, 1600 meters 8 minutes. Long jump 12 feet, high jump 3.3. Who qualify in race will be eligible to appear in long jump and the high jump. The long jump, high jump are to be cleared in any one of the 3 chances given to a candidate. There shall be no appeal against disqualification in race, long jump and high jump. The standard description, that is standard physical measurement, are shown in description and also in a video. So coming to female candidates, there is a race for 1600 meters, long jump and high jump. The age up to 30 years. The race 1600 meters is 8 minutes, long jump 10 feet, high jump 3. Above 30 to 40 years, 9 minutes, 9 feet, long jump, 2.9, high jump. Above 40 years, 10 minutes, 1600 meters, 8 feet, long jump, 2.6, high jump. Those candidates who qualify in race will be eligible to appear in long jump, then high jump. The long jump and high jump are to be cleared in any one of 3 chances given to a candidate. There shall be no appeal against disqualification race, long jump and high jump. The physical measurement are shown in the description and also in a video. Okay guys, these are the main important things in this notification, and you can see the video which are screening here and also in the description in my channel. There is a malpractice also, it can be seen in a description. The important instructions to the candidates are given here in the notification, you can be seen in description. So it can, if any queries, you can inquire here. There is a contact number which belongs to Delhi Police Recruitment Trainees, and the given procedure for filling online application you can see here and also in the description, because it takes lot of time to explain and to read. Here there is a given a sample applications which was filled by some other. Thank you guys, please do subscribe, click on bell icon, comment for more videos.